For everyone out there, we've talked about it here on Twist quite a lot. Circle is the company behind the USDC stablecoin, a private market startup that almost went public launch via a SPAC years ago and is now making a real run at the public markets. The latest, as we wait for it to price later today, is that it's 25 times oversubscribed. And I think that is probably indicative of some positive sentiment around it, but we don't want to take, I don't want to give it too much credit because I always feel like every IPO is like, oh, we're oversubscribed.
Yeah.
But Lon, I do think that as we watch this fintech company list, it's a nice early indicator that at least some people care.
Yeah, some people definitely. I mean, I'm so curious about in general with stablecoins, like what percentage of the U.S. population really gets this, and not just gets what a stablecoin is, because I think that's not so complicated, but gets like, why would you invest in a stablecoin? Like, how do you make money from stablecoins? Like, it took me a few days to like grok this, I feel like. And like, I'm somebody who talks about crypto at work every day. So I feel like I've got a little bit of an edge. And like, I don't know, like I see stuff like this and the micro strategy stuff we've been talking about. And it's like, these investment vehicles are out there for everybody in the public. And like, these are the same people that could not follow Andor when I was watching that along with them on social media. So it's like, do they really all get what they're buying? Or is it just this sounds good? Donald Trump is talking excitedly about stable coins. Like, I worry that there's a lot of kind of amateur investors that are going to get sucked into these kinds of schemes without fully understanding what they're buying.
I appreciate that perspective. I want to disaggregate it slightly, though, because I don't think people buy stablecoins expecting the types of returns they might get from buying, I don't know, Dogecoin and hoping it goes up, or buying and holding Bitcoin, for example. It's more of like a shovel that really kind of translates between the traditional fiat world and the crypto world. And that to me is interesting because I don't think you actually need to understand it. I think you just need to use products that use stables. So I think we're going to see these become kind of a de facto way of companies handling some of their own internal accounting and movements of money. And I think it's going to open up doors for people in other countries to access services they wouldn't be able to otherwise. Again, not really an investment context. So I wonder if, much like most people don't understand derivatives or options contracts, and yet Robinhood's doing very well.
Yeah.
Right? Robinhood's crushing it. So I wonder if the public needs to be that fully aware of it. But we'll get a lot more information because once they're public, they will drop numbers every single quarter for us to dig into.
Yeah.
Which is great.
It's exciting.
Oh, I love it. When companies go public, Lon, I learn so much. And then every quarter they have to literally come up in front of the class and give a report. And it's great because I get to constantly learn from them.
Yeah, I understand. It's a liquidity thing as much as it is a personal investment vehicle thing. It lets you move your crypto and your dollars around. I do get it.
Yeah.